Greetings, agriculture tech enthusiasts. Step into Smart Tech, where we unravel the innovation behind heavy equipment and farming machines. Pruning green or dry trees, such as citrus and olive orchards, is now effortless with the new pruning machine from BMV. Perhaps its main advantages are great air circulation and easy handling. The machine is equipped with an independent hydraulic unit with an 80-liter tank, internal filter, cooling radiator, and double pump. Various hydraulic offsets allow the machine to be adapted to any type of row. The 282 horsepower crawler harvester truly combines a shortened upper body and narrow folding boom geometry. The result is high productivity and minimal cost per ton of logs processed. And what's more, thanks to the integrated harvester head, this model offers unrivaled uptime, especially when in contact with large logs. The key purpose of the Komatsu underwater bulldozer is to move large volumes of soil over short distances. The machine is capable of removing layers of soil and backfilling it, leveling sites, and performing many other tasks underwater. It's also indispensable during the construction of dams, dikes, and other structures. The bulldozer is often used for contouring roadbeds, ditches, and embankments before construction. Terrafelis 3 Evo is the most modern beet loader cleaner. This powerful machine offers maximum operating comfort, which is due to the Holmer Dynafill automated filling device, as well as the spacious cab and the fast folding automation. The cleaning concept is individually tailored and solutions are available for the most varied conditions of use. The 31.9 feet wide pickup table, the 49.2 feet overload distance, and the clever counterweight balancing arrangement complete the overall concept. Erickson Air Crane of Oregon, one of the leading U.S. manufacturers of specialized equipment, has introduced an upgraded S-64 helicopter crane. Its main feature is the presence of a grapple grip. According to the designer's idea, the novelty is needed when liquidating the consequences of major emergencies and natural disasters. Importantly, the capabilities of the matrix detection and evasion system can allow the S-64 to extinguish fires with water droplets at night or in poor visibility conditions, for example, when the pilot's vision is obscured by smoke. In addition, an autonomous S-64 could also be useful for military resupply missions or for lifting long-line cargo. Self-propelled harvesters convince with their optimal combination of high productivity, driver comfort, and maneuverability. The reliability achieved in harvesting, even under the most difficult conditions, is decisive in many regions. The Grimm Veritron 270 Platinum 2-row self-propelled harvester can be equipped with various different separating devices. The Veritron 270 Platinum achieves a high degree of maneuverability thanks to its wheeled undercarriage, which is equipped as standard with wheels with gigantic soil-saving tires. Due to the rotating bottom conveyor, the 7-ton non-stop bunker continuously utilizes the effective hopper volume. In addition, a wide variety of automatic digging processes with adjustment from the comfort cab provide the driver with a high degree of comfort. Who says cars can't disappear within seconds? With amazing techniques, turning autos into metal trash becomes not only possible, but incredibly effective. This is the art of deconstruction on a new level. Get ready for something special, because the way the metal threads are used to create braiding is a sight you've hardly seen anywhere else. This process is not only breathtaking in its uniqueness, but also perfectly demonstrates the wonders of engineering and creativity. XC7000 is the largest tonnage mining excavator independently developed by XCMG to meet the requirements of large-scale mining construction. The highly efficient and reliable control system, based on dual power unit control system, meets the synchronizing clutch of dual power systems and realizes the optimal utilization of excavator power. Furthermore, this excavator is equipped with intelligent fault monitoring and self-diagnosis systems, so we can carry out real-time observations of the working conditions of the machine. Now you see the Oxbow 5170 self-propelled leaf cutter, which is the most technologically advanced and innovative machine of its class on the market. Its unique chassis, based on the TS4 toolbox, has been designed for cutting operations. With a folding back boom for truck transportation and a transport speed of 25 miles per hour, this model of equipment wastes no time in the field. In the field, the detector vision system keeps the necessary cutters and pullers in perfect position. Among the new features, there's a new built-in 12-inch color touchscreen for quick and accurate control of operations. The economical and powerful 4.5-liter John Deere PowerTech Tier 4 engine makes this machine a real technological monster. John Deere makes the best baling equipment on the market, you can be sure of that. And Green Tractors offers a wide range of +2 round bale batteries to help you find the one that's right for you. The A420R and A520R +2 round bale accumulators are designed with the operator in mind, providing clear visibility of bale volume on the cart. The +2's integrated design increases productivity for producers baling on hills. It allows bales to be dumped on any terrain, saving baling time in hilly conditions where operators have to travel or drive the baler to dump bales. This will minimize or eliminate bale loss on slopes. The Structural 30 is a mounted or trailed 3-row cable planter, which, as standard, plants in 3 rows in a potato bed. The machine is equipped with many innovative features. For example, the wave-shaped wave belt planting conveyors prevent the seed potatoes from rolling to one side on an inclined area. This ensures gentler planting, correct distribution, and high productivity. The unique planting system of the technique limits friction between tubers and thus prevents any damage to the seed potatoes. The open design of the cable conveyor excels in separating foreign material from the product itself and facilitates maintenance and adjustment of the machine. Agseed is a Dutch company that develops complete autonomous solutions for agriculture. This year, it developed a new generation Agbot, which uses a 4-cylinder water-cooled Dutch diesel engine located in the center of the robot under the hood. The engine has a power output of 100 kilowatts. It no longer has a center gearbox and transmission, but rather a large liquid-cooled electric motor that drives the blade. The Agbot is equipped with GPS and sensors, as well as a computer vision that recognizes rows and plants. To put the job into action, the operator must first select the field, set the route to other parameters on an internet portal, and plot AB lines, i.e., start and end positions. The robot tractor can then calculate the optimal route to maximize the efficiency of the field. Komatsu's continuous harvester with a double header system is ideal for industrial mining, including gypsum and salt. This model is the largest and most powerful drum-type harvester in the manufacturer's product line. With a machine weight of 340,000 pounds and a maximum cutting height of 20 feet, this machine has what it takes to increase productivity in the harsh conditions of industrial mineral cutting. Since many industrial mineral mines have shaft limitations, the machine comes in several bolt-on configurations to accommodate these limitations. The continuous harvester is designed for on-site assembly with no or very limited welding of components. Thanks to a sophisticated but very clever mechanism, the raw materials are tightly compressed and immediately suitable for further use. The perfect solution for quick recycling. The RT14R is built for sensitive and confined job sites thanks to its full 360-degree rotation. Even with a 28,000-pound payload capacity, the RT14R can still withstand ultra-low ground pressure, which is an added plus. The ongoing parts, service, and support you need throughout the life of your machine is just one call away. The Terramac rubber track crawler transporter can reach places that wheeled equipment can only dream of, all with a minimal environmental impact. Meet the powerful mid-range wood chipper for professional users. The Van Dale machine is ideal for chopping branches, twigs, and trunks of any type of wood with a maximum diameter of 7.5 inches. The machine can be tractor-driven, diesel or hydraulic powered. Its safety bar surrounds the loading hopper, providing maximum safety for the operator. The upper hood and ejector chute are noise-reducing. Plus, with this unit, the chip size can be adjusted and can be minimized. In general, MJK tillers are designed for clearing new and annual cultivation of existing peat fields. The rotor is equipped with knife-shaped blades that effectively cut any trees and stumps in boggy areas. The rotary cutters are also ideal for converting peat deposits into agricultural areas. As for the design features of this machinery, when traveling forward, such a hydraulically driven rear roller compacts the milled peat. When moving backwards, the roller can fell trees and bushes on the ground. The rear roller also serves as a support, reducing the pressure on the surface from the tractor with working equipment. A safety clutch effectively protects the transmission from peak loads, which often occur. The combination Gesner cutter bar and seed drill, available individually or as a complete system, provides operators with a complete plowing and seeding system. What new things has the manufacturer introduced? Well, at least a cool electric motor combined with a reinforced gearbox. A thick walled support frame on the right side has also been introduced, and several seed distribution compartments have been added. There are quick-release mounts for welding to the ripper panel, and there's a junction box with circuit breaker for the motor and cable set. Using the new Gesner drum seeder and cutter bar, you can achieve superior performance and durability with every push. Few people think about how a steel chain is born, but here it is, the subtlety of production hidden from view. This is what the process that turns metal into a fully functional product looks like. For more than 2 decades, the durability and reliability of Oxbow coffee harvesters have enabled the highest quality coffee to be harvested while reducing labor and production costs. This model of harvester allows farmers to harvest more efficiently and comfortably, as well as to work in the harshest conditions. Benefits include a gentle picking system and a large standard basket for more productive days. The proven Dynarotor picking head and large tunnel with high shaking rotors ensure efficient and productive harvesting of coffee beans. The 2-fan cleaning system ensures cleaner loading, and the front-mounted rotors pick faster with a greater yield. Why was the Cinnabuggen 340G the star of the biocycling trade fair? Simply because the telescopic giant easily transforms biomass and food waste handling into an art form. With its unique pallet forks and multi-purpose platform, it makes heavy work easy, fast, and efficient. Operators marvel at its power and flexibility, which go beyond conventional wheel loaders, providing a revolution in everyday tasks. The Cinnabuggen 340G is not just a machine, it's your reliable partner in every job, boosting productivity and optimizing processes at every turn. Max Pneumatic is a modern, functional, high-quality pneumatic precision air seeder. This unique machine is designed for almost all types of vegetables: carrots, parsley, cauliflower, sugar beets, cucumbers, onions, radish, beets, peas, corn, and others. This seeder is adapted for both single-row sowing and double-row sowing from each section. Seeds can be sown on a flat surface and in row furrows, as well as in paddocks. The sowing discs are made of high-quality stainless steel. When selecting the appropriate discs, the type of crop, the number of seeds to be sown per hectare, as well as the spacing should also be considered. The number of holes in the disc ranges from 6 to 120 per row, and their size varies from 0.02 to 0.12 inches. You no longer need a tractor to lay the mulch. Now you can do it manually. This hand-powered mulching unit, which is fully adjustable to handle different bed widths and sizes, is a game changer. It will easily fit in greenhouses, high tunnels, or areas with limited space. It can be equipped to run 1 or more drip tape lines. 2 people are required to operate this unit, and it works best when pulled at a steady walking pace. The moldboard plow opens 2 furrows with the packer wheels pulling and laying mulch, and then the discs bury the edges. It can be used with mulch rolls from 36 to 60 inches wide. The BB Scissor Elevator Model 1090BL Evo, equipped with innovative double-level technology and designed for heights up to 10 meters, is designed by highly qualified, experienced personnel. Its power is entrusted to an electric motor and a Kubota diesel engine. Among the advantages it offers are the following: the possibility of working indoors due to the autonomy of lithium batteries, as well as ease and safety of use even in steep gradients or uneven terrain. In addition to the standard technological devices installed on the machine in question, such as a remote control console and everything related to automatic leveling, Almac offers the possibility of choosing some additional features to extend the functions of the crawler elevator. Evrard is once again defining the future of agricultural technology with Meteor R Active, a trailed sprayer that combines innovation and functionality. With its advanced design and compact frame, the sprayer promises high efficiency and ease of operation. With Delta Force booms up to 118 feet or Palmier aluminum booms up to 148 feet, the technique provides a wide range of applications. Integration with auto-terrain and active slant systems ensures precise terrain following, while a unique load transfer system optimizes performance even in the most challenging conditions. With the new PPI continuous circulation system and the smart 7-inch command box display for control, the Meteor R Active sets new standards in spraying. How would you feel about your feeding process being fully automated? With Monarch's Mark V, it's not a fantasy, but a reality. This advanced auto-drive equipped tractor independently ensures consistent and accurate feeding of your dairy herd around the clock. Forget about labor and fuel costs. The Mark V gets the job done without fatigue or extra expense. Plus, its eco-friendliness ensures a clean and healthy barn climate. Monarch Tractors continues to develop, making the feeding process not only more efficient, but also more pleasant for the environment. This is a hedge trimmer from Kirogen. The small, self-contained THA Model 270 hedge trimmer is effortless to use and easy to transport. Ideal for beginners in pruning. This hedge trimmer allows you to cut flush with the hedge. It has a platform height of 107 inches, a curtain height of up to 200 inches, and a maximum reach of just over 80 inches. By the way, the technique is rightly considered versatile. The trim platform can be removed and replaced with another tool: a shredder, snow shovel, cement mixer, forklift, skid steer, or loading shovel. Now, you can definitely enjoy gentle, smooth, and fast cabbage harvesting, whether it's industry, storage, or fresh market. The harvester from Asa Lift picks cabbage at a speed of 2 miles per hour or more, and there's no need to worry about damaging the product. The specially designed cabbage picker section gently moves the product from the ground to the crossbelt, where it can be carefully stacked manually into crates. Or even better, use additional machinery that will perform this process automatically. So any farmer with this technology can harvest his crop without any problems and with low maintenance and operating expenses. TerraTech's wheel hoe is excellent for precision weed control. Using the finger weeder is the best way to remove weeds from the row, so you're sure to be satisfied. Also, it's the only hand tool equipped with a finger weeder. This wheel hoe can be mounted on a single or double wheel, depending on the job. In most cases, the double wheel is used for precision work, while the single wheel is used for a standard cultivator. De Wolf has many years of experience in potato transportation. The high quality of the latest generation of Maiden storage loaders have been achieved through a close cooperation with end users. As a result, these machines, model ML2280, are characterized by maximum productivity, high transport efficiency, and reduced risk of product damage. Thanks to the small diameter of the return roller, a minimum drop height is always ensured. De Wolf's strength lies in simplicity, making their storage loaders absolutely reliable and virtually indestructible. Just take a look at this Nitro Trailed Manure Spreader Model 270 RS. The The machine has been designed to enable small businesses and private farmers to keep their yards clean and deliver rich nutrients to the field instantly. At the same time, the manure spreading efficiency is incredibly high. Removable beater assemblies add value and functionality by allowing the nitro to operate as a rear discharge trailer with movable floor when manure is not being spread. The four new VB3200 models combine the best of Kuhn's proven round baler concepts with new features and extensive configuration options. Large farmers and contractors will like the VB3260 and the VB3290 models best. They're designed for versatility, optimum productivity, and profitability. These balers offer up to 10% higher bale density in dry crops thanks to the newly introduced Progressive Density Plus option. And the VB3255 and the VB3285 balers are designed especially for farmers who want a versatile and powerful machine that's easy to operate. Their proven suction and baler chamber concept, combined with a simple but sophisticated design, ensures reliability and productivity in a wide variety of crops. The multi-axle soil loosener and manure spreader from Nunn Industries is a real tank of large capacity with unbeatable maneuverability and flotation. Such an innovative novelty has an electronic control system, which greatly simplifies its use. Since its appearance in the agricultural industry, its simple and rugged design has gained popularity in the market, both because of its unpretentiousness in maintenance and its absolute reliability. The machine is available in several capacity configurations, ranging from 10,000 to 16,000 gallons. See for yourself how confidently and efficiently this powerful machine performs in the field. Case IH Axial Flow 250 series combines are equipped with the latest AFS Harvest Command automated harvesting technology, which adapts combine settings to changing harvesting conditions without operator intervention. This system is available as an option for combines with larger grain hopper volumes and higher unloading speeds. This advanced autonomous system receives data from all major combine units and optimizes their settings according to one of four algorithms to ensure maximum performance in all harvesting conditions. Now you can process dry legumes and peas neatly and virtually loss-free, all thanks to a specialized machine from Sweer. Its front separator system with parallel lift ensures reliable, smooth separation of beans under the toughest conditions. All you need for harvesting is one man, one tractor, and one pass through the field. But the smooth picking mechanisms ensure that the crop flows smoothly to the cutter bar. The machine performs well even under the most difficult operating conditions, such as stony conditions. So, it's a pleasure to work with the machine. You see an all-electric self-leveling crawler telescopic boom with electric drive, powered by fully retractable battery power packs. Designed to clear obstacles on the job site, it has a fairly high working height with a side and longitudinal tilt of 15 degrees, greatly increasing efficiency, productivity, and operator safety. The machine has a completely redesigned controller to simplify the user experience, featuring a pinch protection bar and easy-to-use joysticks. The AES pinch protection system is designed to prevent serious injury by stopping the machine when the operator presses against it. The machine can also have an ultrasonic collision avoidance system, an optional kit that can be ordered for the Jibby 1890 Primo series. The Jibby 1250 EVO model is the same crawler telescopic hoist that works on the same principle. The only difference is that its performance is slightly lower than that of the 1890 Primo model. The process of industrial olive harvesting is carried out with the help of specialized equipment, one of which is the Expand R5090 machine from the French company Pellenc. According to the manufacturer, this technique can collect more than 0.3 tons of fruit at a time. The modern model of the olive harvester saves up to 25% of harvesting time, which makes it just the perfect helper for any farmer out there. And the optional Buggy 5000 shaker can handle up to 1,200 tree units per day, with harvest completeness of up to 99% of the olives on each tree. With Pickrite's HydroRam HR250 spreader, you'll always have the right equipment to carry up to 250 bushels of heavy-duty fertilizer or manure in paddocks. In this case, we're looking at a pumpkin. The HR250 features heavy-duty vertical hammers that provide a superior spreading pattern. A powerful gearbox drives both beaters, and a hydraulic push system ensures long-lasting performance. Two-stage hydraulic push technology carries the front of the load, which significantly reduces compaction and optimizes the spreading pattern. The aggressively shaped double curvature hydraulic cylinder fits tightly over the vertical beaters for optimal cleaning at the end of the load. Quick-release whiskers provide versatility for stacking and other applications. It's time for your spreading equipment to work as hard as you do. The practical spreader for ALKO lawnmower tractors is a universal helper in any garden. The SP60 can be connected to the tow bar of mini tractors and is used for spreading fertilizer, seed, lime, winter de-icing material, and fine gravel. Its wide pneumatic tires provide good driving characteristics even on uneven ground. The maximum speed that can be developed by such equipment is 5 km per hour. The dosing lever allows you to accurately adjust the rate of application of material. By the way, the machine can be used all year round, both in summer and winter. In addition, it's perfectly suited for work on large areas. They say strike while the iron is hot, but sometimes, to make a cool metal part, and a rather complicated one at that, you just need to use the right mechanized friend. Don't you agree? Robots Verditas 3000 mounted manure spreader has two possible applications. The first is soil fertilization by spreading compost, and the second is the fight against water shortages, runoff, and turf. The machine can spread chopped straw, wood shavings, and sawdust. Such a machine can spread manure in 4 different modes: full, in an open field with wide spreading; full, located on a path; directed, on one side; or directed, simultaneously on 2 sides, for vineyard or horticulture. It is a rather compact machine that matches the dimensions of the tractor and respects the existing vegetation nearby. It's mounted on a road chassis, speed up to 15.5 miles per hour, with an articulated drawbar. Friends, meet the real master of the beet business, Van Laar Technique. In simpler terms, you're looking at an incredibly productive root washer, shredder, and feeding bucket. 3 in 1, so to speak. Beatmaster makes it quick and easy to wash, shred, and feed roots in one operation without leaving the cab, saving the operator a lot of time. In addition, the new bucket is available in 750 kilograms or 1,000 kilogram capacity sizes and is ideal for use with both tractor loaders and telehandlers. The 6-shooter manhole cutter from Mr. Manhole cuts and pulls the manhole frame without any labor, keeping crews safe. The cutter has an adjustable cutting diameter, requiring no tools or additional parts. Fully developed repair specifications are offered for free download. Repairs are fast and affordable, providing perfect level work that can be completed in less than an hour. The 6-shooter cuts diameters up to 72 inches and cuts 16 or 20 inches deep with optional blades. In addition to manhole frames, it can also cut water valves and make penetrations in roads for utility repairs with special optional equipment. You see the revolutionary PR2500 double drum plastic mulch lifter packer, which transforms mulch removal into a simple operation. This innovative unit lifts and packs plastic at the same time, saving you time and effort. Designed with convenience in mind, the PR2500 efficiently removes plastic, separates it from soil, vines, and other residue, and then neatly rolls it into compact bales for easy disposal. It's ideal for handling plastic mulch any time of year, whether it's spring removal of sweet corn mulch or fall clearing of fields. The PR2500 is also effective for drip tapes, whether they're buried or on the surface. Volvo Trucks has announced that it has broken 2 world records. The company built a powerful truck, especially for this purpose, and named it Iron Knight. It broke the first records, a 546 and 1,093-yard launch. Iron Knight is based on the FH model with its modified quad-turbo engine D13. Swedish engineers managed to reduce the weight of the vehicle to 4.5 tons. The engine develops a maximum output of 2,400 horsepower and 6,000 newton meters of torque. In a split second, the design of the product is transformed, becoming more complex and original. Every line, every pattern now plays with entirely new colors. Imagine a task that many machines would fail at: removing a giant tree stump with an insidious network of branching roots. That's where Reiko comes in, a true hero among mechanical giants. This iron beast doesn't just get the job done, it does it with unrivaled skill, leaving only clean ground behind. The impressive attachment is like a friendly giant, gently hugging and transporting massive loads of wood. It makes transportation a pleasure rather than a task, turning a difficult process into a simpler one. Achieving perfect cutting of metal sheets becomes a reality with the presence of an impressive assistant. Its power and precision turn a complex task into an easy procedure, ensuring flawless results every time you interact with metal. Pulling a drawstring out of your pants can be a real headache. After all, trying to pull it back on often takes a lot of time and patience. However, I offer you a quick and effective solution to handle this task without too much effort. You're looking at the productive and incredibly efficient planting machine MN. Its new support frame is equipped with an automatic width and length equalization, the Creamer telescope counting device, and a dropping funnel with vibrating ruler. The multi-seater has a new planting capacity and virtually every conceivable option. Automatic leveling surface and planting depth adjustment, plant spreading kit, vibrating spreading belt, counting unit with multitronic synchro drive, control, and so on. So the equipment can definitely provide you with planting pleasure for years to come. You have witnessed how the attachment of the machinery with its predatory teeth digs into a piece of wood, so that in a moment, with the help of an outgoing saw, to make an absolutely even cut of its hostage. Studying the workflow of the previous machine in more detail, it becomes clear how it brings to life colorful panels, each of which is an absolute masterpiece. Ventrac's new model RV602 vacuum collection system is a professional's choice for all lawn care needs on commercial properties and home sites. Whether it's cleaning up fast-growing grass in the spring or cleaning up the fall leaves covering your yard, the vac system is the right choice for a quick job of taking care of your lawn. If your goal is to find a compact and powerful shredding device, the MIDI Force from CPM is the one to find. This shredder transforms the time-consuming process of cleanup into an easy and enjoyable job, thanks to its innovative design and clever shredding chamber. Not only does it shrink trees and shrubs up to 9.8 inches in diameter at a moment's notice, but it's also an indispensable helper for clearing fields and removing unwanted vegetation in farm work. Working widths of 5.7, 6.6, and 7.4 feet make the MIDI Force a versatile tool that can adapt to various tasks and conditions. Do you want to weed or clean the edges of green spaces, sidewalks, or urban floors? Then this powerful and highly efficient brush adapted to the mower arm is just for you. From the advantages of the machine, I would single out the new variator of forward-reverse tilt, speed, and orientation of the working body on the mower. Other pluses include the powerful hydraulic motor with high torque and the motion control unit, which is now located in the operator's cab. Horning maize cutting bars are known worldwide for their high efficiency, reliability, and low maintenance expenses. The high-speed rotors ensure perfect cutting even under the most difficult conditions, particularly when the crop is wet and clogged. Cut maize and many other crops for feed and biogas production, even under difficult conditions with the full working width. Take forage production to the next level with the Mergento VT9220, the pioneer of the next generation of windrowers. This machine is synonymous with innovation in forest harvesting, combining amazing versatility and safety in a variety of crops. This is exactly what you need for the perfect combination of work and fun. A device that not only enhances your lot, but also provides the opportunity to enjoy the ride. A great way to make chores exciting. Think the big rock is unshakable? Let some machines convince you otherwise. They demonstrate with ease that even the toughest materials can be worked. Restoring a damaged piece of metal is now easy, as long as you have this mega apparatus that breathes life into old items. It's not a repair, it's a renaissance for every piece of metal that seems lost. Why waste days on something that could be done in hours? With the Denmark chain cutter, every task becomes easier. It's power and precision in every movement that can change the way you think about what's possible on the job site. Reducing costs, speeding up work, increasing safety. Not just promises, but reality. So rest assured, the Model 3400 chain cutter is what you need to get the job done efficiently. You see a towable machine for faster and more efficient almond harvesting. Almond's line harvesting equipment has been designed for high-density almond orchards with ultra-intensive production. Together with a conventional tractor, it combines the latest Pelenk innovations for faster and better performance. Maneuverable, productive, powerful, easy to use, Almond's line harvests almonds quickly, gently, and prolongs the life of your orchards by protecting the trees and fruit. Such a machine will truly provide unrivaled care for your fruit and orchards. Forget boring roadworks forever. Watching specialized machinery draw markings on asphalt can be surprisingly entertaining. It's an art in its own right, where every line is part of a larger craftsmanship. We have pure genius here. I can't help but rave about how much time and effort this device saves on the construction site. Craftsmen can concentrate on important tasks knowing that the technology is there to protect their productivity. By starting your job with a solid understanding of your business and the support of high-performance equipment, you put yourself on the path to flawless completion of all tasks. As the epitome of agronomic perfection, this helper in the field is quite the genius of the harvest, not only tying it with incomparable skill, but also laying it on the ground like jewels, ready for further careful harvesting. With skillful and precise action, this powerful machine produces metal parts of exceptional quality. Its creations perfectly demonstrate perfection in every detail. Get ready, the special machine is about to make it very cool and very hot. A sight you'll definitely remember for a long time. I'm amazed at one's imagination. What kind of machines people come up with to turn rough metal into specific and very important parts. Creating a flawless road surface becomes an easy task with the right tool in your hands. This specialized handheld unit is ideal for ensuring that every meter of your road is smooth and level. Would it be possible to keep airports perfectly clean without interfering with the rhythm of air traffic? Holaris FOD is a sweeper designed specifically for the fast and safe cleaning of runways, taxiways, and platforms. Being towable, it not only eliminates the risk of items posing a potential flight hazard, but also guarantees lightning-fast cleaning of airport areas. The Holaris FOD's effectiveness in clearing large areas makes it an indispensable aid in maintaining continuity of airport operations. The new Demonio series mulcher with a working width of 7.5 feet and a tillage depth of 1.3 feet was recently introduced to the public. This high-tech machine from Valentini Group has been built with high-quality, high-strength, low-alloy steel materials to ensure excellent performance and longer life. The Demonio 2300 mulcher can easily turn overgrown areas into fields for planting, and in no time at that. This machine is actually very confident at 1.3 feet deep, leaving behind not a single tree or stub. Take a look at what this mulcher can do. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.